Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to evaluate the given relation by using the properties of cube roots of unity. Now, from the cube roots of unity, we know that omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2, and omega square is equal to minus 1 minus iota square root 3 divided by 2. So we will insert these values of omega and omega square in the given relation. So we have 1 plus minus 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2 minus minus 1 minus iota cube root square root 3 divided by 2 and whole power 7. Now taking 2 is LCM. So we have 2 divided by 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied with 1 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 multiplied with minus 1 plus iota square root 3, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, and this is minus, so minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 minus iota square root 3 and whole power of the equation is 7. Now we have 2, 1 multiplied with minus 1 minus 1, 1 multiplied with plus iota under root 3 is plus iota under root 3, minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 is plus 1, minus 1 multiplied with minus iota square root 3 is plus iota square root 3 divided by 2 whole power 7. Now 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2 is 2. So, or we can say that minus 1 and plus 1 cancels out with each other. So we have 2 plus minus iota square root 3, sorry, plus iota square root 3 plus iota square root 3 is equal to 2 iota square root 3 divided by 2 whole raised to the power 7. Now 2 is common in the numerator, so taking out 2 common, we have 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2 and whole power is 7. Now as omega square is equal to minus 1 minus iota square root 3 by 2, multiplying both sides by minus, so we have minus omega square is equal to minus multiplied with minus is plus, so we have plus 1, and the minus multiplied with minus is plus iota square root 3 divided by 2. So here iota plus 1 plus iota square root 3 by 2 can be replaced with minus omega square. So we can replace it 2 into minus omega square and whole power 7. So that can be written as 2 multiplied with minus omega square is minus 2 omega square whole power 7. Now power can be separated for the terms and multiplication. So we have minus 2 power 7 omega square power 7. So minus 2 power 7 will be equal to minus, because the power is odd number, and if the power of a negative number is odd number, the result will always be a negative number. And if the power of a negative number is even number, then the result will be plus number. And we have minus, and 2 raised to the power 7 is equal to 128. So minus 2 raised to the power 7 is equal to minus 128. And from the quotient property, if we have a raised to the power n whole raised to another power m, then we can write the two powers in multiplication. So we can write omega 2 into 7 minus 128. Omega 2 into 7 is 14. Now we will write the quotient of omega in terms of 3. 14 is not divisible by 3, so we will write 14 in a summation of two numbers in which one of the number is divisible by 3, so that will be 12 plus 2 minus 128 omega 12 plus 2. Now from the quotient property, if a is raised to a power n plus m, that can be written as a raised to the power n multiplied with a raised to the power m. So we have minus 128, and omega raised to the power 12 plus 2 can be written as omega 12 omega square. So we have minus 128 omega 12 to omega square. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we can write 12 is equal to 3 into 4 minus 128 omega 3 into 4 multiplied with omega square minus 128. And according to this property of quotient, we can write omega raised to the power 3 into 4 is omega cube raised to the power 4. Now from the product property of cube roots of unity, we know that omega cube is equal to 1. So insert 1 for omega cube minus 128 into 1 raised to the power 4 into omega square. 1 raised to power 4 is equal to 1. So 128 multiplied with 1 is 128 omega square. So we have found that 1 plus omega plus, sorry, minus omega square raised to the power 7 is equal to minus 128 omega square. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a math problem is solved. Thank you.